If you've been watching this channel for a little while, you may have noticed that I've gone or undergone a bit of a style change since the beginning of the channel up until this point. And more specifically, I've gone from not really having a good understanding of style and fashion to now at least having a better understanding. Style is always personal and there's always the ability to know more and more about it. But with that said, I've got 6 tips that took me from looking like this to like this. So with that said, here's how you can take your style to the next level. That's what that is. Number 1, this was the game changer for me. This is what got me into style in the first place, and that's having a great haircut. See, I firmly believe that yes, clothing, having an outfit that fits you right, these are all things that will help you look better. But a haircut and a hairstyle that suits you just ties everything all together. It's like the cherry on top of that banana split. I'm not a big fan of bananas. And with that said, let's take this and go fix it up right now. See, a good haircut is the difference between you looking all right, not too bad, and looking crispy fresh, looking amazing. Not only can a fresh haircut and style give off a more tidy aesthetic, it can also really bring out your facial features that may otherwise have been toned down because your hair wasn't complementing your facial structure. For example, check out this video I did on how a haircut can give you a more defined face. Andre here came in with a lot of poof on top, but the end result really brings out his bone structure and makes him look a good 10 pounds lighter. So yeah, a good haircut, a good hairstyle is where I recommend to start. And if you want a suggestion, almost every guy can suit shorter back and sides than they might think. Now, I'm not saying going for like a straight undercut, but if you haven't ever tried, next time you're in, ask your barber to take your sides and back down just a bit, okay? You'll thank me later. And we're back. Fresh cut, cleaned up, looking good. Number 2. Number 2 is getting out of your comfort zone, at least a little bit, because let's face it, you're not gonna be able to change anything up, elevate your style if you're not willing to try something a bit different. You may be happy with what you know, and that's fine, but if you wanna elevate, you gotta be willing to break outside the box. I'll give you an example. I live in the UK, and it's cold here a lot of the time. And when I'm looking to buy a jacket for the year, I usually pick out something really simple, really safe. Something that I know is gonna work with pretty much everything in my wardrobe because I know I'm gonna be using it a lot. This was my go-to jacket for most of last year, and now, there's nothing wrong with it, but like I said, it's very simple, it's a very safe option. More recently though, I was browsing online and I came across this jacket right here. And even though I'm a fan of street styled pieces, this was a lot more obviously street style than I used to be comfortable kind of trying out on myself. That said, I was like, you know what, I want to try something a little different, something that I wouldn't normally gravitate towards and just see how I like it. And now that I've had this jacket for about a month, it's hands down my favorite jacket that I've ever owned. I think that it just looks awesome, and because of the colors, it still goes with most things that I already have in my wardrobe. So I challenge you guys to try something that you're not really sure about at first, because it can open up a world of options for you. And at the end of the day, if you don't like it, pretty much every shop these days has like a 30-day return policy. You try it, you decide it's not for you, just give it back. You get your money back, you're all good. Number 3, good style comes from the basics of an outfit. Exceptional style comes from the little details that you put with that outfit. Check out this first picture. His outfit is pretty nice, it's pretty clean, but it's simple, right? Like there's not much going on with it. Then check out this picture. This might actually be the same guy, I'm not sure, but he's added a watch and a bracelet, and it just adds a subtle dynamic that makes the overall look just that much more appealing. Over the last few months, I've become a bigger fan of watches than I ever have in the past, and it's not so much because I'm looking for a convenient way to tell the time, but rather it's a practical accessory piece that can look awesome if you get the right one. I've recently partnered up with a company called Colton James, and they're actually from the place I was born, down in South Africa. I was I was born in South Africa, I'm not actually from there. But I mean, that's pretty cool. And regardless, I love the timepieces that these guys have. And we're also doing a giveaway. We're giving away 2 Carlton James watches later on in this video. But what's unique about Carlton James is that you can choose the timepiece that you like, then add the straps that you want to go with that piece that you chose. And this allows for you to change up your options depending on the look that you're going for that day without having to buy multiple watches. For example, my favorite combo right now is the black timepiece with this sandstone leather strap. This is the watch that I've been wearing almost daily since I got it in. I'm a big fan of sandstone. But if I wanted to dress it up a bit, I can easily swap out for some mesh straps and make the watch instantly look more formal. These kind of customization choices are awesome, and they let you really personalize your outfit depending on what you're wearing that day, depending on what you're doing that day. Carlton James is an awesome brand with some quality pieces, and I mean, to be quite honest, they've been one of the easier brands for us to work with, which is just nice on our part. So if you want to get your hands on one of these, I've got a link down below with a coupon code that will give you 15% off your entire basket and free worldwide shipping. Like I said, details on the giveaway we're doing will be at the end of this video. But my main point here, guys, is that accessories take your outfit from looking good to looking great. I don't have anything on this hand. Number 4, and this is another hair tip, and that is if you've never done it, go ahead and try some color in your hair, even if it's just some subtle highlights. And in fact, if you've never tried it, I'd recommend starting with some subtle highlights. The first time I ever got highlights a couple years ago, I was pretty impressed by the difference I noticed in my look, even though the coloring itself was a very subtle change. And that's what I like about highlights. If they're done correctly, they don't have to look drastic, but it's a bit like accessories I talked about. They just add a nice, noticeable touch. Our 5th and final tip is actually have a look around in the stores that you already normally shop at. Just because you might be ready to try something a little different doesn't mean that you have to go to a completely new store you've never looked at before to find something different. And in fact, if you go somewhere new to pick out something different, that'll get overwhelming really quick. Instead, head to the store of your preference, and instead of like going for the normal items, the safe items that you normally pick out, take a step back, look around, see if there's something that is a little bit intriguing, a little bit different, and try that out. You know, think about getting a little adventurous within a store that you already trust. This will help you start to build up and start taking those steps to upping your overall style. Just before we end this video, like I said, we're giving away 2 Carlton James watches, one here on the YouTube channel and one over on my Instagram account. So there'll be 2 winners. Each person will get 1 watch and 1 additional pair of straps so they can mix and match. If you want to enter in on YouTube, go ahead and click that like button and leave a comment down below letting me know that you've entered and what your favorite kind of animal is. And we'll pick a winner in a couple days and send a DM straight through YouTube messages. As for Instagram, check out the Carlton James watch post and follow the instructions on the post. Pretty simple. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be seeing everybody next time.